9 signs you need help with artificial intelligence, in detail. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an integral part of many businesses and industries today. However, it can be challenging to know when you need help with AI. Here are 9 signs that you might need to seek assistance with AI. Lack of results. If you have implemented AI in your business or organization, but you are not getting the expected results, it might be time to seek help. AI systems can be complex and require expertise to be successful. Inability to scale. As your business grows, you may find that your AI system cannot keep up with the increasing demand. It could be due to poor design, inadequate resources, or a lack of expertise. Poor data quality. AI algorithms rely on data to learn and make predictions. If your data is not accurate or of poor quality, your AI system's performance will suffer. Inability to interpret results. AI can produce a lot of data, but it can be challenging to interpret that data. If you're struggling to make sense of your AI results, you may need to seek assistance. Lack of expertise. AI is a specialized field, and it requires expertise in data science, machine learning, and computer science. If you don't have the required expertise in-house, you may need to seek help from an AI expert. Difficulty integrating AI into your systems. Integrating AI into your existing systems can be challenging. If you're struggling to integrate AI into your systems, you may need help from a specialist. Security concerns. AI systems can be vulnerable to security breaches, and you need to ensure that your AI system is secure. If you're concerned about the security of your AI system, you may need to seek help. Compliance issues. AI systems need to comply with data privacy regulations, and failure to comply can result in penalties. If you're struggling to comply with regulations, you may need to seek help. Cost issues. AI systems can be expensive, and you need to ensure that you're getting value for your investment. If you're concerned about the cost of your AI system, you may need to seek assistance to optimize your system's performance. In conclusion, if you're experiencing any of the above signs, it's time to seek help with your AI system. By seeking assistance from an AI expert, you can optimize your system's performance, ensure data quality and security, and comply with regulations.